left, in the middle, go up, nice stretch, go to the side, to the other side. Once you cross the legs over, press again. Okay. So like I said, I was certified as a prenatal and postnatal fitness specialist. So I'm focusing on the core, healing your core, repairing. So we're going to be doing 3 rounds of the routine that I came up with. This is going to be on YouTube. This is going to be on my app, which is coming out soon. So you guys are more than welcome to join me as I do my core repair routine. I'm going to start with my arms behind me. And I'm going to keep my core nice and tight. I'm going to lift each leg, okay? So these are alternating leg lifts. I'm going to do 10 each leg. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. Now, similar to that, we're going to be bringing each leg up just like this. Right? We're doing that 10 times. Remember to keep your core nice and tight the entire time, okay? Make sure you're taking those deep breaths. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. Now we're going to go over to our side. I'm laying on my right side first. And again, make sure your core is nice and tight. We're going to put our arms behind our head and do a crunch, just like this. Right, so we're doing 10 on each side. So again, let me see. Make sure you're going to be resting on your arm, your forearm, holding your core tight, and lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. I'm going to turn around and go up onto my left side so you can see what it looks like from the back. So again, you are resting on your forearm, arm behind your head, and lift. 1, 8, 9, 10. Good. Now we're going to be on our back. You're going to lay on your back. Remember to keep your core nice and tight. You want your knees together. You want to lift up. And then we're going to take our legs back. So you're really leaning on your back. Most of your weight is going to go on your back. But keep your core nice and tight. Arms down and lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Staying in this position, we're going to put our legs in a 90-degree angle. We're going to keep our arms down. We're just going to touch our toes to the bottom of the floor. Okay, those are toe taps. We're going to do 10 each side. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. And the last one for this round, we're going to be on all fours, and we're going to do alternating legs and arms, just like this. And alternate. All right, we're going to do that 10 times. Keep that core nice and tight. See, you can't really tell with my shirt, but I have my core nice and tight, okay? 10 of these. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Good. So that was round 1. I'm going to do 2 more rounds. Yes, it does. I'm going to do 2 more rounds of this, y'all. If you're doing it with me, thank you for joining me. Take a sip of water if you need to. All right. So back to the alternate leg raises. Put my arms behind. Keep my core nice and tight, okay? And we're doing 10 each leg. Ready? Lift. 1, 2, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Again, this time we're going to bring that knee back. Slide those feet just like that. Right? Keep the core nice and tight. 10 each. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Back with the side crunches. Again, you're going to rest all of your weight on your forearm. We're going to keep the core nice and tight. And lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Turn to the other side. Again, most of my weight is on my forearm. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. We're back on our backs here. Going to keep your core nice and tight. You're going to go up like a glute bridge. You're going to lift. All right, 10 each side. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. After that, we're back up like this, 90-degree angle, and we're going to touch just the tip of your toe, okay? You're going to touch the tip of your toe there. Not the whole foot, just the toe. Tip of your big toe. Okay, so call those toe taps. We're going to have our arms down here, 90-degree angle, 10 on each side. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. this round, let me turn it this way so you can kind of see it better. We're going to be doing alternate arms and alternate legs, just like this. All right, so we're going to do 10 of those each side. Remember to keep your core nice and tight as you're bent, taking those deep breaths, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Good job. I'm going to do one more round. I just wanted to remind y'all this routine is going to be in my Snatch Mommy Bootcamp. It's going to be on my fitness app. I'm also going to have a piece of it available on Etsy. So if you haven't checked out my Etsy plans, the app is getting ready to launch. I want to say like 2 weeks. So just make sure you stay tuned. If you're not on my Facebook, you can add my Facebook. I'm going to be going live with my step classes Tuesday, Thursdays, and Saturdays. So make sure y'all join that as well. I have a link in my bio with all of my platforms. So thank y'all for the support. Let's do this last round. Back here. Alternating, can't talk this one. Alternating leg lifts. Starting with the right, we're going to go 10. Make sure you lean back just a little bit. Keep your core nice and tight. And lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Stay in that same position. Keep your core nice and tight. We're going to bring the leg up. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Now we're back on our side. We want all the pressure on your forearm there. Again, core nice and tight. Arm up and lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Other side. Core nice and tight. Go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Back down. Okay. And you're going to lift up. Remember to keep your core nice and tight. Bring the knees back. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Now back up, 90-degree angle. We're going to use the tip of your toe, okay? Toe taps. Don't have to hit the whole foot, just the toe. 90 degrees, okay? And you're going to bring it down, just like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Last one. On all fours. I'm going to turn this way so you can see a little bit better. Starting with the right arm, left leg, 10 each. Keep that core nice and tight. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's it. Thank y'all for joining me. Again, this is a routine that you can use to help repair your core. If you've been working out, you're not really noticing any results in your abdomen area, this is a really good routine to do. You want to really work on keeping your core tight with each exercise that you do. Again, I will have this in my programs. I have a program on Etsy that's going to launch today, and then I have my app that is hopefully launching in 2 weeks. So you guys can follow me on there and on YouTube. Again, all my links are in my bio. Thank you so much for the continued support, and I hope to see you guys soon. Have a great day.